Artificial intelligence is not just a concept from scientific movies anymore. It's everywhere. From your smartphone to self-driving cars, AI is transforming our world in ways you wouldn't believe. But what exactly is AI and how is it being used today? Let's dive in. AI or artificial intelligence refers to machines that can think, learn and make decisions just like humans, but unlike humans. AI can process massive amount of data in seconds, helping us in ways we never imagined. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI, which is designed for specific tasks like voice assistants, Alexa, Siri, and self driving cars, and general AI, which will have human like intelligence and be capable of doing any intellectual tasks. But we are not quite there yet. AI is already changing the way we live. Let's look at some of its most exciting applications. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by detecting diseases faster, assisting in surgeries, and even predicting outbreaks before they happen. AI in finance. In finance, AI help detect fraud, automate trading, and even give you personalized investment advice. AI in entertainment. From recommending movies on Netflix to creating music, AI is making entertainment more immersive than ever. AI in transportation. Self-driving cars. AI is leading the future of transportation, making travel safer and more efficient. But what about the risks? But with the great powers comes great responsibility. AI raises concerns like job automation, privacy risks, and ethical issues. That's why we need to develop AI responsibly. The future of AI. So, what's next? AI will continue to evolve, shaping industries, creating new job opportunities, and even redefining what it means to be human. What do you think about AI? Is it a tool for good or something we should be cautioned about? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exciting tech content. See you next time.